A well-appointed, extensively extended 5-bedroom family home, occupying a slightly larger than unusual spot on West Mailing. Let's take a look inside. The current vendor really has enjoyed living here and loved her time here. And I think you'll agree, maintain this property to an exceptional standard with this beautiful presented integrated kitchen, separate utility space and downstairs WC, and then opening up onto this beautiful, bright through lounge. First floor accommodation consists of double bedrooms and a family bathroom suite. External accommodation to the rear, we have a landscaped garden fenced off with side access. And to the front of the property, we have a driveway with space for 3 cars. Very rarely do you come across a property with exceptional finishing internally and externally. A viewing is highly recommended. I'm Dwayne Sharia and we are Balgos.